Hi, I'm Denise, 14 times UK champion. Also, Scratch Magazine is now Stylist of the Year, salon owner and global educator for NSI. Let me show you a stiletto nail using the Masquerade collection. Sanitize the hands prior to your nail service. Buff the surface of the nail with a 240 grit file to remove the shine to promote adhesion. Remove the dust with a plush brush and wipe with Nail Pure Plus. This sanitizes, dehydrates and cleanses the nail plate. Apply a traction acid-free primer to the natural nail. I'm going to show you how to apply a nail form to create that C curve deep enough to flatter the nail and enhance the strength. Place the form on top of the form. When you're creating a stiletto nail, what this does is allow the bend of the form to hold that shape and stop it spreading out, creating a deeper C curve and making that nail more flattering. For a normal square, to create that C curve, take the sticker out the middle and place it on the back of the form, and that will give you the same support for a shorter nail plate. Pick up a bead of crystal clear, place on top of the join, press down. This area needs to be very flat. All I'm doing is creating a platform for the masquerade bead to go on. If you see, I can stretch that bead out, creating the shape of the stiletto nail. Pick up a bead of rose blush from the Masquerade collection, turn the brush round and place the front of the bead to the highest point of your smile line. Place it down. As you can see, the top part is your smile line already, so don't touch that part. Squash it down and thin it down towards the cuticle area, so it acts like a piece of cheese, the thinnest place being by the cuticle, the thickest by your smile line. Your second bead placed by the cuticle, squash it down and just stroke up the nail. See how that product domes for you. Let the product work for you, not you work the product. Sharpen up that smile line using your file, and that just crispens off, making a ledge for your next product to butt up to, and that gives you that sharpest smile line that's going to be beautiful. Think about this like applying eyeshadow. We're going to do it in layers. You never plonk two colours together. Pick up a bead of Glistening Sea. This is going to act as a colour wash that's going to give you sparkle from the top and from underneath. Just stroke that through so you can actually see all the way through it, giving a hint of colour. Pick up a bead of Glistening Cobalt. This is your dense colour. This is going to give you that beautiful smile line. When you do this design, whether it's whatever colour you use from the Technicolor range or in pink and white, you always have the strongest colour around your smile line. Place the bead at the top part of the smile line and push it down the sides to create the points. Stroke it through, feathering that product out. Repeat on the other side. Pick up a bead of Glistening Sea and place it on the end of your nail. Squash the bead down and work it towards the depth of your smile line. What this does is create a different colour in the middle, so you go from deep smile line through to a middle blue to your pout at the end. If you look for the nail at the side, this isn't going to be a heavy nail, it's not thick. You're now going to encapsulate the nail using the crystal clear from the competition collection. This is the clearest product you're going to have and allows the light to go through the nail, which is going to make that sparkle that's going to come from the Glistening Sea and the Cobalt Blue. Filing techniques. Always do your side walls first, create the shape. Look from the side of the nail to make sure your nail is not dipping down, that it is actually parallel to the finger. Do that on both sides. File across the centre of the nail to get the highest point of your apex. Look from the side of the nail to make sure that the high point of the apex is where you want it. And then file up towards that apex, and that's going to give you the drop from each side, creating a beautiful curved C-curve nail. This will make it strong and beautiful. Buff the nail using your endurance file. Wipe the dust with cleanse and apply Glaze'n Go for that real high shine, and cure in the lamp for 120 seconds. This will show the transparency and pop those colours from the Technicolor range. Finally, a drop of nurture oil, massage in to finish your service.